welcome back to Liam Adventures. My name is Liam. And then what is your name?
Daddy.
So we playing taco, cat, goat, cheese, pizza. And then Daddy, how to try to play it? This one is the card, okay? When we say taco, the picture is not a taco, not need to tap it. When we say taco, the picture is taco, you need to tap it. And then he has a special card. This one is gorilla. And then like two hands. And then we have a groundhog, like what? So we have one more special card. The name is narwhal. So like what? So you already know, guys. But when the people is long touch it, like the first people touch it, it's gonna be win. When the last people touch it, it's gonna be lose. So let's go start. Guys, let's go play the taco cat cheese pizza.
I'm shaving and I splitting the card. Splitting the card.
But you need to do it all of it, okay?
We have to give the card, set the card until finish. All the card.
All the card. All the way to done.
Until done.
So let's go start. I need a help because I cannot do this. Haha. Help me, Daddy. Thank you. So let's go start. You go first or me?
You?
Taco.
Cat.
Goat.
Cheese.
Pizza.
I'm losing, so I get the card. Okay,
Like-
again. Okay. Taco. I win.
You need to.
Okay.
You need to be faster when you touch it, okay? Taco.
Cat. I lost again. She is very fast.
I am already good how to play it. Daddy is not good how to play it.
Taco. I win.
I'm already.
Okay, now your turn.
Taco.
Cat.
Good.
Cheese. That is cheese. Taco.
Cat.
Good.
Cheese.
Pizza.
Taco.
Cat.
Good.
Cheese.
Pizza. Hey, you don't need
Taco.
cat.
Good.
Cheese.
Pizza.
Not stick in the hazard.
Sorry, boss. Taco.
Cat.
Good.
Cheese.
Yes.
This guy is wrong. That is already not good.
Taco.
Cat.
Good.
Cheese.
Pizza.
Taco.
Cat.
Good.
Cheese.
Pizza.
Taco.
Cat.
Good. Oh,
You can see I am so small.
I'm so thick. I have a lot of fat.
What is thick?
Thick is many. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
You are thinner. This is what? This is thinner. This is thick.
You know what is in Mandarin? What is baby? Comment down below and leave
Taco.
a bit. Okay. Cat.
Good.
Cheese.
Pizza.
Taco.
Wow. I miss again. Okay, go. Taco.
Taco.
I miss. Yes, I miss it.
Be quiet, Alice. Alice is hurting, so Alice will continue joining us. So, me and baby, okay? Let's go.
She's got sick. Taco.
Cat.
Good. Next time you play with us, okay, Anne?
And not forget with food.
Ooh,
You don't know.
with mommy, I think.
No. With Lala Owen. You already know who is Lala Owen?
Okay.
Comment down below. Let's go, Daddy.
Taco. Wow. Taco.
It's still hard for Daddy, but it's not hard for me.
Taco.
Cat.
Good.
Cheese.
It's a cheese. It's a cheese. I will cheese.
Wait guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Taco.
Cat. Wow. It's an hour. Wow. Taco.
Daddy card is going to Daddy card.
Taco.
Cat.
Good. Still fighting to winning.
You need knew what to get.
Taco.
Cat.
Good. It's the groundhog.
Bad groundhog. Your hand is going to be red. But I'm no, because I'm
Yes.
gentle.
Should be like that. Taco. Why is she groundhog again?
Wait, guys.
Taco.
You cannot see the picture. You can see this. Okay? And not forget to pocket taco, cat, blue cheese pizza,
Taco.
cat,
Good.
cheese,
Pizza.
taco,
Cat.
good,
Cheese.
pizza.
Taco.
Yes! Be quiet! So we just brought it in where? Like this in.
Tokopedia.
Don't forget to buy it, okay?
Go.
Bye bye!
See you.